So if you want to change the video format of your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro, just go to the camera settings. So just launch the camera and then tap on the settings icon. And then you want to tap on this 3-dot button, and that opens the entire camera settings. Now from here, you want to scroll down to the video section, and in the video format, you should see, tap on that. You can see it's set to H.265/HEVC. You can change to H.264, which is a more compatible format. And this one is a space saving format, the AVI format. So you can choose between the three. So this is best for quality. This is a little bit less quality, but more compatibility. And then this one is the lowest quality, but saves space on your phone. All right. So this is where you can choose a different video format. Once you choose, tap on done, and that's going to be a new video format. Thanks for watching and good luck.